Hey, welcome back to Pack and Cook. Today we're going to be cooking some steaks over a fire, but we're going to be using wood that's been soaking in water. I wanted to try this challenge to see if this was even possible. I don't know if you guys have ever tried starting a fire with wood that's completely soaked. If you have, let me know down in the comments, but I know that it is really hard to do. So today we're going to see what we can do with this wood that's been soaked, and I may not even be successful, but we'll see what happens. So yeah, this has been soaking for a while. Let's see. For some reason that's a lot harder. So I'm finding some drier spots in the wood. I think what I'm going to do is just focus on getting some kindling, because the small stuff is what's going to be most important. This bigger stuff will eventually burn, but the hard part is going to be starting the fire. Hey, so we were able to find some drier wood in the center of one of those larger pieces. I think that's probably the key, is the larger pieces in the very center. You could find some dry wood, but the thinner pieces were usually soaked all the way through. So I was able to get a little bit of kindling here. We're gonna try and get this started, and if we can get this started, we could get some of these bigger pieces going. Come on, light on fire. See, this wood would normally catch on fire very quickly, but with it being wet, I don't know if we're gonna be able to get this going. Let's try this again. It's super smoky. It is struggling to start. Hey, so I just tried starting this fire with wood that's been soaking for hours, and there is basically no way that you can start a fire like that. You're better off just trying to find wood that is completely dry, or not exposed to water, because this wood has been soaking in water for hours, and the kindling alone was just struggling to even start. But let's get this fire started, and we'll get these steaks going. Hey, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please like and subscribe. I can't tell you how much it helps the channel. It really does. And even just one little like helps the channel go a long way. If there's anything you guys want to see, please leave a comment down below and then we'll see what we can do. See you in the next one. Dude, a log just fell out of a tree. What the freak? Top of that branch just broke off. It's kind of sketchy. Dang. Let's go look at that. Hang on. I don't know if I dare go underneath that thing. That whole broken log right there. That legit just fell out of the tree. From like way up there. Sketchy.